So hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to my new video. So in this new video, I'm going to tell you what is Arenzyra and how it's work and how you can set up for your PUBG Mobile Esports tournaments if you're organizing or if you're thinking to organize any tournaments, and if you want to your tournament will be broadcast on any social media live streaming or anything. Anyway, this is the right place for you. It's Arenzyra. So okay, let me straight away dive into the video to tell you what is that and how it's a work. So anyway, first of all, the first thing first, it's how you apply for Arenzyra application. Okay, and then I will slowly I will tell you how you can apply, how you can register the teams, how you can add the teams, and how the system work. So it will be easier for you. Actually, this is recommended video because many of the organization, they actually don't know what is Arenzyra and what is this. So okay, let's go inside detail. Okay, what you have to do, simply you have to write an Arenzyra. Just write Arenzyra and you will find this, the first link, which is arenzyra.com. You will click into this link and onto the link, and then you will see this interface, the first landing page, and you can read everything from here. Have more informations about the system to this page. So let's go. You can see the prices as well. So they have system like start trial, like you have 7 days free trial for to learn everything and set up the system for your tournament actually. So anyway, we have so you have to apply first of all. When your application will be approved, then you can sign in easily. So first of all, let's try from anywhere, whatever you want, but let's try start trial. So just you have to select which production system you want. I have Discord bot as well. If you want only to use the Discord bot, which is we can organize actually this who can control this tournament system, this scrim system. Like if anybody register for their team, anyone register for their team, so bot will automatically give them a slot number or whatever. The groups is how you will set up, actually it's depend on that. Anyway, so we have the PUBG production system, we have auto launcher system. So I will going to show you the auto launcher system. Just you have to click on auto launcher, because soon I'm going to show you the launching system, because that will be automatic PUBG Mobile Esports or production system, which is auto launcher system. And then you can keep the live map. Live map is a extra map, not inside game map. Actually, when we see the game PUBG, when we play the game, we can see one map on the right top corner, one small map, and if we clean that map, one big map will be pop up. But in my system, there are extra map. Actually, you don't have to open your map from inside the game. You can continue gaming, you can continue streaming. Just you will have the extra map that will almost look like the original map. There have like Erangel, Miramar, Rondo, and all the maps actually set it. There will have circle, blue zone, and teams rotation, players rotation, everything you will see inside that. So what you have to do, you have to just fill up the informations, your name, your organization name, your email, and your contact details. It will be very when you fill up the contact details, be careful. So you must have something like your WhatsApp or Discord, the real one, so I can contact with you for more informations. And then last, you have to create a password and submit the application. When you will submit the application, I will get the application for sure, and then I will approve. Then anytime you can sign in. So for signing in, what you have to do, you just have to log in here. Sometimes you can see like this. So, and then you have to write your email number and password. Just click on the fill the email and password, and if you want to remember this device, you can remember you can click on the box, so it will just remember your password, and you don't have to write every time. You don't have to fill up every time. So click on. So okay, let's go sign in again. I'm going to sign in with my this account. Okay, yes, this is the account I'm going to show. This is the organizer accounts. How it will look like. It will be look like this, but sometimes if you're a new organization, you will not have the shop, YouTube, production. The production you will have, yes, but something is special actually that will not have. I didn't yet post them for everyone. Anyway, so what you have to do, how can you create the tournaments, how can you create the stage group and everything, I will go to show you now. So this is the tournament page. When you click on, it will be empty and it will show you the create tournament, of course, only. So let's create a tournament. So this is the one how you can create tournament. You will write the tournament name, start date, end date. This option, just skip this option because this option is not ready yet. I'm going to tell you all the truths, whatever you have to do, how can you set up everything. So there will be tournament logo. It's optional, but I think it's better. Will be look in the widgets, your tournament logo. Tournament banner is absolutely optional. You don't need description if you want to write anything. Just up to you. Not create the tournament, and when you create tournament, one list will be here. And let's open. So when you will create the tournament, one stage and one group will be automatically created. So then what you have to do, you have to go to the teams when you create the tournament, but you can add the teams first and then you can create tournament. It's up to you, whatever you want, however you want. And then teams, and you will see empty, everything will be nothing here, and you will just simply click on create team, and then you can see you can add logo of the team. You can add if you don't add the logo, so you will see that inside up default logo for sure. Name and tag, this is common thing you have to fill up, and then click on OK. Save, actually, I'm sorry. You click on save, that will be saved, and the team will be added here. And then if you want to add any players, like if you want to add any players, so if you want to add the photos as well, players photos like PMGC streams, like as you can see PMSL, PMGC, they do the streams. The player photo pop up next to the bar, the players bar. So could be right side, could be left side, however you want, but my system is doing it for the right side, next to just before leaderboard widgets. Anyway, we'll go after that, for that one. But for the moment, let me tell you what is here. Is add players. You can play a photo. You can add. Okay, this is optional. Actually, entry video is like a. It's like a GIF file or any video file you can upload here. So IGN is in-game name, PUBG UID, PUBG in-game UID. Actually, that will be helpful because if you would PUBG UID, my system will catch the player with that UID, not actually for the by the IGN name key, because the same player ID could change the name. So real name, if you want, is optional, doesn't matter. Role, whatever role you want to give, IGL, NT supports sniper, it's completely up to you. Country is optional as well, just click on save and that's all. So player will be added here and that will be saved, nothing else. So let's go back to the tournament, and we are back to the tournament here. So let's open the tournament teams, and whenever you teams add the teams here, just you have to go add into the tournament as well, because maybe in one tournament you want a team, and to the other tournament you don't want that team, you want another team. So this is separate things for each tournament. So let's go for the teams, and you will see something like this. It will be empty when you will create new one. Just add existing teams, like you can add any teams. Just select the teams, and then click on the link 3 teams and any teams, actually as many as teams you want to add, that will be added. So let's go back to see. Okay, teams 23 of 23 is added, because I think in tournament I have 23 options. Let me check how many teams we have, so I can exactly give you the exact answer. Okay, I think that was by default 23 teams. Anyway, We'll go for the teams. So you have to remove the teams to add new teams if you select the 23 teams only. And then registration. Okay, skip that one. Let's go to the stage. So you can create this stage like this. You can write the stage name, stage order, because stage order is mandatory because of you will have the line, the orders like 1, 2, 3, 4, which stage, but like group stage, a quarter final, semi-final, final. There are 4 stages, so there should be 4 orders. And how many groups you want in each stage, that's really on you. But let's open any stage here, and you can see they have in stage you will have by default one group, that is group A, will be created automatically. You can rename anytime. For anything you can rename, like stage, tournament, anything. Change the logos, change the groups. So group A, group B, you can rename it. And then then you have to open the group. But before that, okay, I'm sorry to that. I missed that you have to assign the teams into the stage as well. After add the teams into the system, then you have to add the teams into the tournament, and then you have to add the teams into the stage, because maybe some teams you don't want to play this stage, they will be invited and they will go all the way to the group. To the quarterfinal, semi-final, final. They'll be invited. So this could be an option for the organizations, how they want. So then assign teams is the same system. How whatever team you will add into the tournament, there will be a pop-up here. You can select any teams to play to this stage. Like I'm going to remove this, just only this many teams who will be will play this group, this stage, and then we'll go for the group. Inside the group, you will see this. This will be empty, of course, must be. And then you have to assign the teams into the group as well, because maybe you are going to separate the groups. Like group A will be 10 teams, group B will be another 10 teams. So you can separate like this before you start your streaming journey or something like. Anyway, and then we have to create the two team matches. Like let's create a match. Like we have 2 options. This is very uncommon. I don't know if you see that before, if you use any production system before. Like we have single match creation as well. You can create a single match, and if you want to create multiple matches, so you can create multiple matches. Like it will be by default it will be pop up like 4 matches, for a number of matches, 4 start dates, date this one, and matches per day. Okay, so what is the different here? Like I want to do like matches, 2 matches per day. Okay, so when I will do 2 matches per day, so this is the 8, 6, 26. It will be 8, 7, 26 for 2 matches and 8, 6, 26 for 2 matches. Because I have made it because only 2 matches will be played into the day. So let's check it out. Okay, here is the match 13, match 14, match 15, match 16. Okay, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, but I have already 12 matches, so that's why it's coming like the serial numbers. So look, it's become 6, 6, 7, 7. As I told you, you can change any map like Erangel, Miramar, and then will be Rondo and Erangel. The next day will be Rondo and Erangel. You can create like this. You can select, and the team, the matches will be created here. You can see Erangel, Miramar, Rondo, Erangel, as we created 6, 6, 7, 7. Okay, now the next thing is open a match. The first match, like you will open this, and you will see the team you added for the group. They will show in here this line, but this is not completed yet. You have to add the teams into the slot as well, because maybe team 15 they will play in slot 9, as you listed the slot from your Discord or WhatsApp or Telegram. You know the list of the teams and how they are going to maintain the slot. Like team 14 they will play in 8, or 16 they will play in 24. Just move them like this. They will be automatically added to this system for the slot list. And then what you have to do is just, because this is telemetry, this is automated system, so we have to use the launcher as well. But before we use the launcher, look, we are going to start the match number 13. So if we click okay, before we go live, what you have to have, that is launcher. Let's open the launcher. Let's download the launcher. So you have to download the launcher from here. It will be downloaded automatically, and then you will see something like I'm going to show you. Just a minute, everyone. Okay, you will see in your download list something like. Okay, let me download one time, and we'll go for it. It's downloading. It will let it to be finished. And of course, if you want to use the launcher, you must have the launcher access. Otherwise, you cannot be able to download the launcher and use the launcher. You must have the launcher access. Otherwise, your system will be blocked. Okay, its system is downloaded. Let's open this. Let's install this one. You have to click the download file. Click onto the download file. Then don't be worried about these features, because this is just a alert from the PC, nothing else. But the system is absolutely perfect. We will have no problems about that. Okay, let's run anyway. And when it will be installed, you are going to have the last updated launcher. I can let it to be finished. All right, when you will download the launcher, and I think yes, this email ID, the same email ID you created, you used for when you created the account, when you apply for the account, the same email ID and same password you have to add here. I'm going to put my password as well. So, and then log in. And when you log in, you will see this kind of feature. This feature will be open. Okay, just a minute. Okay, I'm just going to show you the main thing which I missed already. This is going to be the launcher. Okay, yes, here we go. Okay, when you completed download and installed, and then you will see this one. Let me make it bigger, and here we go. So you will see this one, this interface on your screen, and then you have to just log in with your email and password as I explained before, and I didn't show you, but now I'm going to show you. I'm going to write my password, then enter. You'll be signed in and you will see this feature. So now go back to the let's go back to the web app. So I'm going to open my web app. Here's the web app. So let's go back to the tournament, and as we did before, stage, then open the group. No, it didn't do that. Okay, this Delta, we created the matches in Delta. So let's open the first match we created is 13, match number 13. And we added the teams into the slot list as well. Now let's go live. So just click on go live after you added all the teams into the slot list. Then go live. Now, actually, after you go live, you can also add the teams into the slot list. Okay, the teams will be added to the slot list. Doesn't matter, don't be worried about anything. And you will see the teams, the live match will come into your launcher as well. Look, the matches we started is match number 13, group was Delta. You show up, stage was whatever, I just write it. Then just what you have to do, you just have to open your PCOB. Okay, PCOB means an application, that is PUBG Mobile Esports API system. that give you the real-time data. Real-time data is real live data. So whoever will play into the matches, which team will be playing to the matches, all data will be captured from PCOB. But my system is this launcher will catch everything, feed everything. Okay, so let's start the live stream to look. Let's have a look. Will it start or not? This must be start. Okay, let me show you now. Wait a minute, guys. Okay, right now I'm going to switch to my launcher. Okay, this is the launcher as we told you. The group stage, as I told you, match number 13, group delta, and everything is showing the informations of the tournament, which tournament also will be show stage, matches, everything. And just click on stage. Okay, because of we have to restart the launcher because I already started, and again I restarted started the match and start live data before, and I again cancel I stopped the live data. So now I'm going to restart the launcher. I'm closing. The launcher going to start now. Okay, here we go. Automatically, because we click on remember me. So remember the ID and password. Match loaded. Everything is good. Now we're going to make it bigger. Starting now. Let's see. Okay, what is the problem is we didn't open the PCOB. So you must have to have open PCOB, the data system. Okay, now it's will be start when I will. Okay, after let it to be open the PCOB. Okay, now let's go. Yes, you have to stop the match first, and then you have to start again the match from the UI, from the web app, and then you can see the same thing will be restarted as well into the launcher. Then start the launcher now. It is ready, production ready, and launcher is started. So that means the data feeding is started from here. Okay, so data feeding is started. Now we have to open your PCOB and start streaming. Nothing else. But I think if you are an organizer, you have some ideas about PCOB, how it's work and how it's look like. Okay, just you have to enable when you will go enter into the match. Just you have to you don't have to you must not forget to enable the API. And you know the API system is enabled, is available into the PCOB. So you have to enable the API, and when you will enable the API, the system will automatically start to capture the data from feed the data from PCOB. And this is the easiest way to start the production. Now I'm going to show you actually how it will look like when you will start a match. So let me find a video for you to show you how it will look like. So when you will be when your system will be enabled, and it will look like this one. I'm going to start now the video. So you can have a look at how the system work. Look, S to G, they are eliminated. Okay, let me go a bit behind so you can have more informations to have a look. Let me make it bigger. Close. So this is the team eliminated. And we will show you map as well. The last 5 more teams remain actually. You can see the lower third on the left corner, left down corner. You can see the lower third, the overall ranking, live ranking actually, how many points the teams have. And you can see the team's logo on a screen, team's names. Actually, it's looking like the PMGC stream, how they do. Okay, let me go a bit behind to see. So you can see the teams. Okay, last 4 more teams. Okay, when is the 4 teams will be available, the 4 teams will show here which team is. And you can see that player achievements alerts as well from the left side. And see next zone update. You can see the next zone update, how long, how many seconds remain for the next zone. You can see that as well. And whenever will be teams will be eliminated, that will show as well. Zone update. Okay, last 3 teams actually. Let's go back a bit. Okay, now 4 teams. 1 will be eliminated. And let's see. Straight away. Okay, 3 teams now. And 3 teams. Boru Esports was eliminated at this time. So players. Okay, player photos. Look. Have a look. Players photos is also showing the stream. Okay, I'm going to show you now another thing that I didn't show you yet. So look at this one. You can see the actual player photo here. Where is that? I told you, next to the player bar. You can see the next to the player bar. You can see the players' photos. So this is the system it's going to work for your tournaments and events. If you really want to use this system,